Hello, everyone. I am so excited to have you in class. I'm going to go over the reading reflection template. So as you notice, in week 1 on your agenda, you see that you have to do reading reflection. So I want to go over the template, the rubric, and an example. And you'll notice that you'll be able to watch this video here. But I wanted to go over this. So every week for 7 weeks, you will have a reading reflection. Starting this week, you will have the reading. I did give you the book to order, but you will only for the first week have the first chapters available to you that are required for this week, and then you will always turn it in the day before class time that we meet. So again, the day that we meet, it will always be due the previous day before 11:59 p.m. Okay, on Canvas. So let's get started by going over the rubric. So as far as the rubric, you'll notice here that it's always 100 points for these. The first one to get the advanced top 25 points for this category will be to identification of key concepts or ideas from the course readings or course discussions. In order to get that, you want to make sure to include highly proficient and complex identification of understandings, the key concepts and ideas from the course readings or course discussion. The second section is on the summary. So how you're summarizing those key concepts or ideas from the course reading or course discussion, and includes highly proficient and complex summary of understandings of the readings, and that'll be another 25 points. As far as how you analyze it and how you apply it to key concepts or ideas of the course readings and discussions, it must include, in order to get 25 points here, include high, proficient, and complex analysis and application of understanding the key concepts and ideas from the course readings or course discussions. And does it meet the minimum length? So my rule of thumb is for every chapter that is assigned, per chapter is a page. So you read one chapter, you have a 1 page. If you read 2 chapters, then you would have another page for that specific. So for example, in week 1, you would have this is just an example I'm throwing out there, okay? I don't remember exactly the chapters that are assigned for this course at this moment, but the chapter 1, for example, would be 1 page, key points from there that you'll explain. And then chapter 2, you would do another page with those key points and descriptions, and I'll show you exactly what the template looks like. Okay, so with all those, if you got the top-notch scores, then it would be 100 points, 25 points for each of those categories. As far as the actual template, oops, here we go. So the template here is you'll have a reading reflection, and you'll always want to put your name, the week, so you would put week 1, chapter, whatever the chapters are, the date. And then here you want to put the chapter for sure, the page number, and the topic. So maybe it's on, I'm trying to think of a theorist here that is, like for example, like Chomsky. And then you have the information about Chomsky's summary and key theory, and then how do you apply it to your specific classes, if you're already teaching classes, or for your future courses, or how do you see it being significant when you will need to apply that specific theory or whatever topic it is that you chose to write about that you read in that specific chapter. So say this would be chapter 1, this would be 1 page, and then another page for the other chapter that is assigned as well. Sometimes you'll have 3 chapters assigned, so then you would have 3 pages, right? 1 per chapter. All right, and I know some of you, if you like to go a little bit over, that's fine, but I will stop reading at the 3 pages or the 2 pages, whatever is due for that week, okay? I did provide an example here for you. so that you have an example to look at. Here is, for example, week 4, they had chapter 7 and 14, part 2. For that reading response. I love how they highlight this in a different color. They put the topic, the chapter, the page number, what specifically they're talking about and summarizing, and then how it's significant to them. So this is available to you in the agenda. I did provide an example, but I wanted to show you. So see, this is all chapter 7, and then the next page is chapter 14. So they got a page on each, and they took out the most key points that stood out to them. And then also you could look at your syllabus, and I put key topics per week, so you can also get a chance to hit those targets if that's what you would like on what we will be discussing in the class. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. You can always email me, or we can discuss it as well when we start meeting in person. The first week that we meet is online, asynchronous, so everything is online, but there are assignments, so you have to do it. The following weeks are in person, so we'll have a chance to also answer questions there. Have a great day.